everyone, and welcome back to my I Love Christmas series, into my Christmas crafting studio. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I'm so excited to share with you guys some DIY, fun and easy Dollar Tree Christmas decor crafts. So listen, I love to share with you guys how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that crafting and decorating is so good for your heart and soul. So if you guys love that as well, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. Also follow me over my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok. Now listen, I know you're here for the crafting and decorating. Without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For this Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to make a super adorable Christmas decor cutting board. Okay, so from the Dollar Tree, you're going to grab one of the little plastic cutting boards in their kitchen section, and then grab whatever cute oven mitt that they have out. They have so many different little seasonal oven mitts. So really, you guys can think about doing this for Christmas, or you can do it with any other little oven mitt that you find, but you just want to cut the oven mitt apart to where you get that cute little fabric. And this one says, "Dreaming of a White Christmas." I thought this would be so adorable. So I put the fabric on, and then I'm using some of this rickrack trim from Dollar Tree as well. Actually, it's not rickrack, it's a pom-pom trim. And thank you to my sweet friend Stacy for popping this into the mail for me. So sweet, and thankful for these new goodies to craft with. And I'm just using some hot glue and gently running the hot glue down the sides of the cutting board where the fabric met the cutting board to kind of cover up those rough edges. Now you could always just take and gently smooth the fabric under before you glue it, but I thought that this might be just really super cute and adorable and really fun for like a Mrs. Claus kitchen idea. You guys know I love to decorate my home head to toe for Christmas, and I absolutely cannot wait. Okay, I am excited about Halloween. I'm going to be dressing up as Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz, but I am very excited about Christmas, and that's going to be coming next week in my home. So super excited about that. Now just take and make a quick little loopy bow. I'm using this buffalo check plaid fabric. They had some at the Dollar Tree in their fall section, but I grabbed a giant roll from Hobby Lobby because, hey, it is bow time. You're also going to make some cute little tails. Just use another piece of ribbon, cut some little triangles in the end, and then glue it underneath your bow part. I'm adding in some of that Dollar Tree wired greenery. Again, another little gift from my friend Stacy. And I'm going to take that greenery, pop it in the center part of the bow and underneath. I really want to jazz this up. And who knew that Dollar Tree was also carrying this cute little raffia? Okay, so I'm going to hot glue the raffia to the center part of the little cutting board and the greenery. I was kind of testing it out to see where I liked it, but I mean, think about how fun this would be to make for someone's kitchen for like a cute little Christmas present. Now, Stacy also sent me these adorable little mini Christmas tree ornaments, and they're from Walmart. They're $1.99 and you get 6 of them. So they're actually cheaper than Dollar Tree. Since I'm dreaming of white Christmas, I thought these little white puffy little snowballs would be cute to kind of really ruche everything together. And bam, check this out. How adorable did this come out? I think it's so fun and fabulous on a total budget, and a great use of some of those Dollar Tree kitchen items. And thank you guys, at the Dollar Tree, you get 2 of their little pot holders, and so you get more bang for your buck with that. Add some baubles in, and you have an adorable little gift idea on a total budget. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how to make a super adorable little Christmas rag wreath using a Dollar Tree dog blanket. That's right, Dollar Tree has put out some dog blankets, and I'm going to take this one, fold in half, and then cut this apart at the half folded spot. So this is a Dollar Tree mini wreath form. They come in a 2 to 3 pack, I believe, and then I'm going to cut this again, and that's going to give me the perfect size to make my little rag wreath. Now, I got this idea actually from my sweet sister-in-law. Apparently, my nieces are watching my videos. So, hey girls, Bethany and Karis, I love you so, so much. But Katie said that she was afraid of the glue gun, so she was making a rag wreath. Now, I've shown you guys rag wreaths before on my channel. I'm not for sure if they got the idea from my channel or from something else, but I just want to give a shout out to my sweet little nieces, Bethany and Karis, and my sweet sister-in-law, Katie. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to tie my little flannel rag pieces onto the center prong of my wreath form. This is so easy. Again, no glue required, which we absolutely love, especially when it comes to kiddos and grandkids. Or if you just want something fun to do, you can make a large one of these. Just pop down in front of your TV or put on some beautiful music and have fun. That's what I'm doing, is listening to music, which is what I do when I craft and film these videos for you guys. Sometimes I listen to mysteries too. I like mysteries and I like music. So, and sometimes podcasts. Anyway, again, I'm just continuing to tie, and I will say there's about 12 to 14 ties on each little rung. And so what you can do is you can tie on all of your little ties on the first section and then count how many you needed, and then kind of count out to see if you have enough to use. And that's what I did with this. And I did not think that I was going to have enough, but I ended up actually having more than enough. So I was excited about that. But just keep tying and kind of squishing them together. They don't have to be super tight, but you do want them to cover the other part of the wreath. And actually this did. So I only had to make a layer on the center rung, and that covered both sides of it. Now with the larger wreath form, you might have to make 2 rows if you want a really full fluffy wreath, but here's how it looks. I think it looks so adorable. Now I'm going to take these little bows from the Dollar Tree and this cute little sign, and this is just a mini sign from Walmart. They come in a 4-pack, and I'm using the Noelle sign because my daughter's middle name is Noelle. I'm going to surprise and give this to her for her room to decorate for Christmas, but how adorable did this come out? I feel like this is so inexpensive. It's so cute and crafty and homey and cozy because of the textures. And then you can choose if you want to put a little sign or bow at the top, or you can just have the rack wreath. But I think this is a fun and fabulous idea for you guys on a budget. I want you guys to get creative, do something that's just can bring you and your family together, and go for it. For this next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to show you guys how to make a super easy, adorable little Christmas pillow with a Dollar Tree towel. So this is just a kitchen towel, and what I did was flip it inside out, and I'm going to hot glue the edge, the straight edge of the towel. So you want to hot glue 2 sides of your tea towel, and you can choose any tea towel that Dollar Tree has out, or any tea towel you have in your home on hand. Target Dollar Spot also has super adorable tea towels, but you just fold it over and you hot glue 2 sides, and then you'll already have one side that's already together. I love making these. I think they're so cute and fun, and especially if you spend $1 and then just have your stuffing on hand. You could even stuff this with little plastic bags if you don't have extra pillow stuffing. But now that you've turned it inside out, now you're going to go ahead and stuff it. Now be careful when you're hot gluing those edges together, but you do want to do it when it's turned inside out, and then once you turn it the right side out, you can begin to stuff it. I like to get mine fairly fluffy, but not so fluffy that you can't close up those ends. So I'm just taking some pillow stuffing from an old pillow, and then you want to gently tuck that in under, and I work in sections. This is the really, really tricky part, so be very careful when you're doing this. I have a tendency to burn my fingertips, so you just want to be really careful. You can also get little fingertip covers if you're nervous about working with a hot glue gun with this type of edging. And hey, if you guys have a sewing machine, totally sew this. I don't have a sewing machine. I'm a hot glue girl, so I'm just going to throw that out there for you too. So whatever floats your boat and suits your fancy, you guys go for it. So I'm just going to go ahead and gently tuck and glue and tuck and glue. And you can see I'm dancing around, doing a little bit of awkward mom dancing. And here's how it turned out. Now I'm going to use this cute little pom-pom trim to run along the edges. And I love this little tea towel from Dollar Tree. It's super adorable. Deck the halls, which I think is such a fun little thing to put on a pillow. And you know, you see these pillows, these little decorative pillows out for $5 or $10, and you guys can really make one on a total budget. Check out how adorable this is. I did go ahead and decide to run another little layer of pom-poms down the other edge. I've also showed you guys how to make your own tassels and add little snowballs to the ends, but really dig into your craft stash. Use whatever you have on hand, have fun with it, get creative, and go for it. Now for this Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super adorable little two-tiered dessert stand. From the Dollar Tree, I have these cute little buffalo check plaid plates, and then I'm taking this candlestick. I got this at Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree carries these too. I'm just using what I have on hand, and I'm hot gluing it upside down. That way there's more space at the base to put things on. Now, I'm going to tell you guys right now, these are not meant, the way that I'm doing this, putting this together, this is just meant for decor purposes, okay? You really want to put the candlestick the other way if you're going to be putting much weight on it, and you probably want to use a bonding glue. This is just mainly for decoration. Don't like set up a huge giant table of desserts with this. Just use this to have fun with and decorate. It's going to be a little bit wobbly. Trust me, just be careful. So I'm taking this little gingerbread candle holder from Dollar Tree. I popped the candle part off, and then I'm going to add this cute little gingham bow. Again, this is all stuff that my sweet friend Stacy sent to me. I'm going to take these little just greenery pieces, and I'm going to kind of twist them together. I think I used 3 or 4, and then I'm going to stick that behind my little gingerbread guy just to kind of decorate it and make it look cute. Again, this is just for decor purposes. You could always pop some real candies in front of this, but because we use that glue and we're using, you know, decorations on here, I really wouldn't put any like raw baked goods on here, if you guys know what I mean. Just covered candy only. And I am using these little fake candy pieces from Dollar Tree, this cute little ornament. So just grab whatever little cute ornaments you have, and you can have fun really decorating. These are cute for coffee bar areas. You could put a couple little coffee pods in front. And I'm also going to give you an idea on how to put some cinnamon rolls on top, but use probably faux cinnamon rolls. Now again, I'm going to twist tie another bit of greenery here. These are so easy to twist tie together and just place really anywhere around a candle, any little spot you guys need to decorate for a Christmas holiday. It just makes it feel more festive. I also thought about getting out some white paint and adding some white paint to the tips to make it look flocked. I thought that would be cute. These are actually real cinnamon rolls, but I suggest that you just use faux cinnamon rolls. And then I added in like some more little holiday baubles, and bam, we have this a fun little, you can see it's a little winky wonky wobbly though. So just be careful with these. I don't want you guys to, you know, lose any goodies from them. And you'll get more stability if you do the candlestick the other way, but you get more room if you do the candlestick that way. Now here is a really cute little Dollar Tree cake tin that we did last week, and I'm going to pop this DIY into this video just so you guys can get a refresher on it, because it was one of the most popular DIYs I did in that video. So I'm starting to do like your viewer pick of the week on each video. So as always, you guys comment and let me know what was your favorite DIY in this video. I'll feature in my next one. And which one will you guys be recreating? Don't forget to post over my Livy's Romantic Home Facebook page. I love you guys. I'm so blessed and thankful to have you here, and I will be popping my puppy dog Benji Bear into this as well. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how to make a super easy, adorable little cake stand. So from the Dollar Tree, you're going to grab one of their cake pans, and then I'm just using this white Waverly chalk paint. Chalk paint works really well on cake pans because it does not rub off. So I'm going to do 2 coats on this, and you want to let it dry in between. And I'm also going to paint this little Dollar Tree candlestick. You don't have to worry about painting the top because that's going to be covered by the cake pan. So we're going to make an adorable little easy Christmas candy cane
cake stand, the next thing I want to do is add a big giant dollop of hot glue and then pop my little cake stand on top of that. Now listen, I will tell you, since we used chalk paint, you're not going to want to put like real treats directly on top of the cake pan. So just a little side note on that. The next thing I want to do is take some of these cute little peppermint goodies, and these actually came from a garage sale, but Hobby Lobby sells strings of peppermint ornaments. You can just take and cut the little peppermints off, and that will give you this same effect. Not sure if Dollar Tree has put out any peppermint ornaments yet. I still need to go check out their Christmas goodies. So I'm just going to hot glue these little peppermint goodies to the side of my little holiday cake pan. The other thing you could keep in mind also is if you don't have the peppermint goodies and you didn't want to find them at Hobby Lobby or on Amazon, you could also just use ornaments. Would be super adorable to make this same effect. So I would love to hear what your favorite Christmas treat is or your favorite Christmas candy. Let's light up this comment section with happiness and sweetness. Here is how my little Dollar Tree cake plate came out, and really think about this. You guys can really decorate the outside of your cake pan, cake stand with pretty much anything. So I'm showing you guys, I have a little Dollar Tree ramekin with some cute little, these are actually real cinnamon rolls. And then just some other little ornaments. So those little peppermints that you guys see next to the ramekin or the little bowl, those are the ones that are from Hobby Lobby you can find, and they come on like a little bundle, so you can just take and cut those off. That's what I use in a ton of my DIYs, especially for my candy cane themed goodies. Let me know what you guys think about this. I think this is really a fun and easy project, and something you could do with your kids, and even grandkids could get in on painting this. Just always remember to help them if you do any hot gluing. And again, pick any little candies that you love, have fun with it, get creative, and go for it. Now trying to make him sit, he gets so excited. He's really not the best trained. So here's this little green ball. This ball is his world. This is his absolute most favorite ball, and I've been looking everywhere. It has like little tiny prongs on it, so you can tell he's got all his toys strewn about. He's been having a good time today. I've been playing with them, but this little green ball is his favorite go-to ball, and the funny thing is it's constantly getting stuck under the couch, and then he'll just bark and bark. So say hi to Benji Bear, and we love you all.
So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It is a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and this is another episode in my I Love Christmas series. Listen, I just love to share with you guys how you can have a boutique, gorgeous home on a budget. I believe our home is our oasis, so make it cute, organized, and fun, and you don't have to break the bank to do that. Trust me. Listen, I also believe that crafting and decorating is so good for your heart and soul. I know it helps me relieve anxiety and depression. So when you guys have a chance, take out that 1 hour of your day or weekend and plug in your glue guns, get out your ribbons, get out a little bit of paint, and just have fun crafting and decorating. It doesn't have to be fancy and it doesn't have to be perfect. Everybody is on a different spot in their crafting and decorating journey, so give yourself some grace. And maybe you don't even want to make something for your home. Maybe you just want to spend time with your grandkids or kids. I think that is something that I love to do. I've been doing it ever since my kids were little, all the way up until now they're teenagers and out of the house. Crafting and decorating. I remember when they were little, we used to paint on rocks. You don't even have to have very much money to do that. So anyway, I just want to encourage you guys to keep up the good work no matter where you're at in your crafting and decorating or your life's journey in general. We are all going through something. The last couple of years have been difficult for many, many, many people, including myself. So just know that wherever you're at, keep going, keep putting one foot in front of the other. God has blessed you with another day. So you just look forward to the future with joy, smile, and do your best to live in the present and move forward. So I love y'all. I'm hugging all of your hearts so tight. I'm wishing you a gorgeous, fabulous, blessed day. Until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye.